Alright, what up, y'all? It's me, Young Frog the God. What up, y'all? Alright, look. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to talk about. This video been sitting on my laptop for the last 2-3 weeks. You know what I'm saying? It took me about a good month to make it, but it's here. We here. And I've been procrastinating. I've been talking to myself, getting in my own head, and doing everything I shouldn't do because I'm sabotaging myself. So what I'm finna do now is I'm finna upload my haircuts because this is what's been taking care of me my whole life, and I'm finna really put my all into it. I only put in like 50% of my barber skills. I only used about 50% of my barber skills, and it got me my own barbershop. I've been living off of it since I was 22. You know what I'm saying? So the barber game been good to me, but it's a lot that I want and I ain't got yet. And right now, see, I'm sounding dumb. I don't even know what I'm talking about. But yeah, right here I'm putting a little paint where it ain't. Let me talk about this haircut. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? The first haircut was I gave him he had a high top fade. You know what I'm saying, with a crispy line. And right, bro, I don't know what to talk about. I don't know what to talk about. This ain't no how-to video. This ain't no tutorial. This just me telling y'all I'm here and I'm finna upload these haircuts, and we not stopping. I have not done something for a whole year ever but cut hair and play basketball and ride BMX. Those are the 3 top things I've done consistently my whole life. And that's what I'm finna do. I'm finna bring y'all these haircuts consistently. I might get that tattoo on my neck, on my face, on my forehead, somewhere. Be consistent, because I have to do that, and I gotta make sure I don't fall back and be lazy again. Cause I don't know where it came from, but for some reason I got super lazy out of nowhere. But yeah, you see that back taper real quick. You know what I'm saying? Hooked him up, smooth taper, but he don't like a ball fade. He want the soft fade. You know what I'm saying? High top soft fade. That's what we gave him, a high top soft fade with a taper and an extra crispy ass beard. You know what I'm saying? So I hope y'all like this haircut. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all subscribe, hit that like button, leave me a comment on what type of videos y'all want me to make, because bro, if I don't get y'all help, I'm gonna be sitting here procrastinating and not putting out videos. Like I said, this video been sitting in my damn thing for the longest. But look, here's the before and after. I want y'all to see what y'all gonna get before y'all get it. Alright, I'm finna show y'all how to also do this haircut, so you can get ready. You know what I'm saying? Get ready. Here we go. Alright, so first thing you gotta do, we gotta comb out that hair. Then we're gonna take the I believe I got a 1.5 guard on there. Yeah, that's a 1.5. We're gonna knock it down with the grain. Make sure you knock the hair down gradually. You know what I'm saying? Now we got the 1 guard on. Comb it. Go with the grain. Smooth strokes. It's like you brushing. You gotta go over it a couple times. I mean, you get the shit smooth. So once you got all the hair knocked down to where you want it, now we're gonna start. Now let's check this out. A lot of y'all barbers, new barbers, take your edges and y'all just be putting in y'all ball line, y'all guideline, y'all first line with your edges. Don't do that. Don't do it. I had this conversation with many barbers, with some of my barbers that worked at my shop, and I watched them do it. Now I'm at a new shop and I'm watching these barbers. Some of these barbers do it. And today I watched one do it, and he put the line in. Then as he trying to take the line out, he grabbed his edges again. So now he over here he gave himself more work than it had to be. So you don't have to do that. Put your line in with your regular clippers. Then you take your edges and go right underneath that line. You're not creating no more work for you. So after you do that, you go all the way open. Bam, bam. Now you're going to put the 1 guard on. All the way open. Yo, my tutorial's all over the place right now. I feel like this is my first YouTube video ever made, but this shit crazy. Because I remember my first video I ever made when I was talking on my haircuts, and I was like, yo, what the fuck was going on? And look, this is how bad I wanted it. This is how bad I wanted it. Make sure you brush your hair down, you know what I'm saying, so you can get that smooth finish that you want. Stay brushing, stay combing. But look, check this out. Quick story. I remember my first video, and this is how bad I wanted to make YouTube videos back in the day. I was so damn sleepy and tired to where I still, right now, if I get sleepy and tired, I'm not making a video. I'm gonna be like, oh no, I'm tired, I'll just do it tomorrow. Back then, I made the video tired, sounding tired, didn't care. I just wanted to upload it. I need to get back to that. But yeah, I hope y'all like, you know what I'm saying, my fade. Yeah. Damn, the video over? Shit. Hold on. Alright, look. We just gonna keep talking. I'm gonna talk for another 5 minutes. So I'm gonna give y'all a 10-minute video, because that video was 5 minutes long. So I gotta add some mode to it. So right now I don't know what y'all watching, but I'm talking. I'm just gonna add some more of my haircuts to it. But what was I talking about? I don't even know. I don't even know what I was talking about. I was talking about my first video. Okay, my first, man. I don't even, bro. Hey, I'm uploading this video just like this because for one thing for sure is I'm uploading these videos for y'all to watch, but the main thing that a content creator got to do, and then what's going to be his best friend and what's going to help him and what's going to keep him going, upload these videos for you to watch back and look at them and see what you was doing and see how you was talking and see, you know what I'm saying, make what you like. So the fact that I'm finna upload this video is I'm gonna have it in the archives there for me to see, like, bro, alright, this is how you was sounding when you just get back to YouTube. This is how you sounding now. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I don't think, bro. Ooh, this is gonna be a rough ass video. Hey, look. This how we gonna fix this problem. I really need y'all to leave me a comment on what type of videos y'all want to see. I know a lot of y'all gonna say gaming, but I can't do that gaming no more, bro. I didn't try it so many years. The coronavirus, I gave it my all. Y'all was tipping me, donating, all that. I had the most subscribers and attention and the comments I ever had. It was good, but that don't pay the bills, bro. The only thing that pays my bills is these haircuts, and I have to stick to it. I have to upload these haircuts. I got to, y'all boys. You know what I'm saying? There's been a lot going on in this barber game that I don't like, and I gotta speak up. I gotta speak out, because a lot of this shit is fucking weird, and a lot of it is. I got something to talk about real fast. So, talking about the barber industry, y'all niggas straight shitted on me when I was starting out to create my own shit. You know what I'm saying? I was creating my own everything. You know what I'm saying? Y'all niggas was not wanting to fuck with nothing I had. Yeah, I had my own posters. You know what I'm saying? Niggas, I go up in barbershops and try to pass them out, selling it. Niggas look at me like I'm stupid. Like, nah, we make our own. But, long story short, these damn Hispanics took over the game. You know what I'm saying? Straight took it over. You know what I'm saying? Right underneath us, right before our eyes. Nigga, what the fuck I'm talking about? But they took the damn game over because they culture fuck with each other. They all fuck with each other, bro. They support one another. So when niggas start creating their own damn products and their own clippers and their own spray, they was buying it. They wasn't like, nah, we can make our own. Fuck out of here. So I got a lot to say about this barber game. You know what I'm saying? It's just, bro, I'm here. I'm here. Y'all boys been fucked up because I had reached out to another barber in the industry a couple days ago, and this nigga told me no. He told me no. So I'm gonna take that no, and I'm finna show you niggas. Finna show that nigga and the rest of you niggas that think this shit is sweet. I'm coming. I'm winning trophies. I'm not signing on nobody damn team. I'm finna make my own team. Watch this shit. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm a real master barber. I've been in this shit for a long ass time. I done set trends. A lot of you niggas is my damn babies, nigga. My sons, nigga. My barber babies, nigga. Real fucking talk. And I'm not finna, bro. I ain't finna talk all that shit. You know what I'm saying? But These videos gonna be more structured. I'm gonna talk more key points. I ain't just gonna be all over the place ranting like Kanye. But these videos are needed at times. But the rest of these videos, I'm finna really do my shit. And y'all got me fucked up. Make sure I hit that like button, subscribe. Cause these YouTube barbers get on my fucking nerves long enough. And I'm finna come change the game back to where it needs to be, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Everybody saying if Tupac was here, the rap game wouldn't be like that. You're right. But Young Froggy here. So the damn barber game ain't finna be like that no more, bro. We finna watch this shit. We finna hey, I'm gone.